Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain a few problems which are given in the recently completed JEE mains examinations. Okay, right. So let us see the first problem. The first problem is if Z is equal to 1 plus cos 6 pi upon 5 plus I sin 6 pi upon 5, then the argument of Z is. Okay. Generally, whatever may be the complex number is given in that form, we will convert it into Z is equal to R of cos theta plus I sin theta, R of cos theta plus I sin theta, where R is called the modulus and theta is called the amplitude of the complex number Z. Okay, now, right. So, if you generally that should be in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta. So, depending upon the theta, which quadrant it lies, depending upon the quadrant in which lies, we will decide the argument of the complex number. So, first if you see that generally students they made a mistake like this. If Z is equal to, it is given that Z is equal to, right. So, they try, generally student try to do convert it in the form of R of cos theta plus I sin theta. Now, 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2, that means 3 pi by 5 plus I into, this is sin 2a, sin 2a formula 2 sin a into cos a, 2 sin a cos a, that means sin 2 theta. From this can you take common outside 2 cos of 3 pi by 5, you can take common outside, then here cos 3 pi by 5 plus I sin 3 pi by 5. So, they cos 3 pi by 5, therefore, it is also a real number, 2 cos theta is equal to, so this is an R cos theta plus I sin theta, and they conclude that argument of Z is equal to 3 pi by 5. They will conclude like that. But if you observe, this is not in the polar form. This is not in the polar form. Why? Because observe this angle here, 2 cos of 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 5 means what? So, 3 into 180 degrees by 5. So, 3, 5, 3s are 15, 5, 6 are. So, therefore, 2 times cos of, so this is a 3, 6 are 108. These are 108 degrees. 108 degrees means what? It is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means negative. This is a negative value. This is a negative value. But here R should be either 0 or positive. R should be either 0 or positive. Understand? But here what you are getting, the R value here, you are getting negative. Why? 3 pi by 5 is an obtuse angle, therefore, that this is not in your polar form. Understand this? Okay. So, for this what you have to do? Now, let us change this angle 6 pi by 5 into some angle pi by 2 minus pi by 3, like that, in that form you will convert. Okay, now? See here, now convert this angle 6 pi by 5 as Z is equal to 1 plus cos of 6 pi by 5. Can I write it as pi plus pi by 5? Yes. I sin of pi plus pi by 5. Yes, I can write down. Why? 5 pi plus pi 6 pi by 5. So, that is equal to Z minus cos pi by 5. Both are in third quadrant. Third quadrant, both cos and sin are negative. Minus I sin pi by 5. Okay, now? So, this is equal to Z is equal to 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square a, 2 sin square a, that is pi by 10. So, minus I sin 2a, 2 sin pi by 10 into cos pi by 10. Understand? Now, you can take the common outside, 2 sin pi by 10 you can take. So, here this is equal to sin pi by 10 minus I cos pi by 10. Understand? So, now is it the R value? Yes. Why? Pi by 10 means what? 180 by 10. 180 by 10 means 18 degrees. So 18 degrees is an acute angle. So this will be your R value. Okay now. Now coming to here, it should be cos theta plus I sin theta. So Z is equal to R of cos theta plus I sin theta should be there. But here sin is here and cos is there. Then what we will take? We will take the complementary angles. We will take the complementary angles. So 2 sin pi by 10, this is equal to, this can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 10. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta minus I, this is a sin of pi by 2 minus pi by 10. Pi by 2 minus pi by 10. So this is equal to 2 sin pi by 10, that is equal to cos of, so this is LCM how much? 10. Here 5 pi minus pi, 6 pi by 10. So 6 pi by 10. 6 pi by 2 means what? This is a 5 pi minus pi. 5 pi minus 5, 4 pi by 10. That means 2 2s are 2 pi's are 2 pi by 5. 2 pi by 5 minus I sin 2 pi by 5. So this is a 2 sin pi by 10. This is a cos of minus 2 pi by 5 plus I sin of minus 2 pi by 5. So therefore, this is in the form of R is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore, argument of Z is equal to minus 2 pi by 5 is your answer. Understand? So very, very easy problem. This is the first thing is you have to be careful about this R value. R value should be either 0 or greater than 0. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. If the sum and product of mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 24 and 128 respectively, then the probability of 1 or 2 successes is. First, in a binomial distribution, he is saying that this is a binomial distribution. Okay, right. For a binomial distribution, we know that mean is equal to NP, variance is equal to NPQ, where N is number of trials, P is a probability of success, Q is probability of failure. That we know that. Alright. Sum and product. Sum is given how much? NP plus NPQ is equal to 24. Product is given NP times NPQ is equal to 128. Now he is asked to find out the probability of 1 or 2 success. 1 or 2 success. That means you want to find out the value of NPQ. Okay. So this is nothing but N square P square Q is equal to 128. Here you can take NP, you can take common outside. 1 plus Q is equal to 24. You call it as equation number 1. And you call it as equation number 2. Then how to solve these 1 and 2? Check. How to solve? How to get that idea? If you see here, N square P square. It is also N square P square. Okay. It is also N square P square. It is NP. So can we make it as N square P square? Yes, we can do it. How? N square P square. 1 plus Q square is equal to 24 square. Okay. That means 24 square. Now what you have to do is divide this equation with the second equation, that is N square P square Q by 128. Okay, nice. Here N square P square will get cancelled. So here you will get 1 plus Q square plus 2Q times 128. This is equal to 24 into 24Q. You will get a quadratic equation in the variable Q. Quadratic equation in the variable Q. So you solve it, you will get the answer. So it is your answer is equal to Q is equal to 1 by 2. Now you solve it, you try to solve it, and I solved it. It is Q is equal to 1 by 2. If Q is equal to 1 by 2, automatically P value is also 1 by 2. Why? P plus Q is equal to 1. Probability of success plus probability of failure is equal to 1. P plus Q is equal to 1. Now substitute here p value, q value, here you will get n value. So your n value, you got n is equal to 32. So you got n value, you know p value, you know q value. Then you are going to find out the probability of 1 or 2 success. Okay, now as we know the binomial distribution, so that is equal to p of x is equal to r is equal to ncr p power r into q power n minus r. That is the problem. So here he is asked to probability of 1 or means plus 2 success. Probability of 1 or 2 success, right? So this is equal to n value is 32, 32c1 p to the power of 1 into q to the power of 32 minus 1, that is 31 plus. So of course here p value is 1 by 2, q value is 1 by 2. Okay, now so this is equal to 32c2 1 by 2 whole square into 1 by 2. 32 minus 2, this is equal to 30. So you calculate this, you will get the answer as 33 upon 2 power 28. 33 upon 2 power 28 is your correct answer. Okay, now so I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. The third problem is which of the following is a tautology. Here there are some 4 compound statements are there, P and Q, with the P and Q. Then we have to say that it is a tautology. Generally students they will start preparing the truth table. That means if the last column contains all truths, then it is a tautology. Okay, now right. So if you start writing the truth tables, it takes some more time. So whatever may be the, whenever this type of problems are given from Boolean algebra, so you try to draw the Venn diagrams, learn the Venn diagrams. Okay, if you start doing the problems using Venn diagrams, the problem is a very easy. Okay, the one and only thing, if it is a tautology, always remember that if total Venn diagram is mapped or total Venn diagram is shaded, then it is a tautology. So if you draw the Venn diagrams for this data, if the total universal set is shaded, then that compound statement will become a tautology. Okay, now so just you wherever or is there, you treat it as a union, and wherever and is there, you treat it as an intersection. Okay, now so if you observe, all are it is implications, they all are conditional statements. We have a beautiful result in conditional statements. So that is a P implies Q is logically equivalent negation P or Q. P implies Q is logically equivalent to negation P or Q. Okay. Now I will take anything you can guess. Already I wrote I draw the Venn diagrams for all these things, but for your convenience I am telling, let us take the option D. Take the option D. So Q implies negation P or Q. This is logically equivalent to negation Q or negation of P or Q. Negation Q, see the statement here, negation P, that means for first statement negation Q or total Q will come. So if you draw the Venn diagram for this, see here everything is U or, here is R is there, here also R is there. Definitely it the total Venn diagram will get shaded. See here how I will draw. So this is a P and it is Q. P and Q. Negation Q means what? Negation Q means what? Outside of Q. So this is negation Q. This is negation Q. This is negation Q. Okay, now what is negation P? Negation P means what? Outside of P. So this is outside of P. This is negation P. This is negation P. Okay, now RQ means what? Complete Q. Complete Q. See here, is it total Venn diagram is shaded or not? Total diagram is shaded or not? So is there anywhere gap? Anywhere gap is there? Anywhere empty place is there? Nowhere it is there. Therefore, this is a tautology. Okay, it is a tautology. See here, within a very short time, within 1 or 2 minutes, I have drawn this Venn diagram and I concluded that it is a tautology. So like that, you draw the Venn diagrams for A, B, C also. A, B, C also. It's a very easy one, very easy one to draw the Venn diagrams rather than writing the truth tables. Okay, na? So very easy problem. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to next problem. The problem is the locus of center alpha comma beta of a circle such that it touches both x square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 and x axis. Then find the area enclosed by the locus and y is equal to 4. Okay. First of all, I will draw this curve. What is that curve? X square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So if you observe, it is a circle with the center 1, 0, 1, radius 1. Okay, now. So let us draw that first. Right. This everybody will do x axis, y axis, origin. Okay, now. What is the center? 0, 1. So this is the center 0, 1. Radius is equal to 1. So of course, radius is also is equal to 1. This length is 1. Therefore, your circle is this. This is the circle. Okay, now? Right. I have drawn the circle x square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Now, there is another circle is there, that is whose center is alpha comma beta, and it touches both the circle and the x-axis. That means it touches both the circle and the x-axis, means this is a circle. The center is alpha comma beta. So that means it is moving on. It is a moving on this circle, both the circle and the x-axis. The circle and x-axis. That means we have to find out the first of all the locus of the center of that black circle. If you observe, so we have a property that locus is always a parabola. There is a result. Always remember. Locus is always locus of the center of the circle which touches a given circle and x-axis is always a parabola whose equation is x square is equal to 4 into a. A means this is the focus. Focus and it is a vertex. The length is equal to how much? 1. 4ay. That is x square is equal to 4y. So what is the equation of the locus of the center of that black colored circle is x square is equal to 4y. Sir, how it is? Now you remember that, and now I will give the proof for that also. Right? See here. What is the distance between these two? What is the distance between these two? I will show the proof for that x square is equal to 4y. I am going to show the proof. That what is the distance between this? So that is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square, alpha minus 0 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is beta minus 1 whole square is equal to sum of the two radii. So these are big circle radius plus small circle radius. What is the big circle radius? Already we know 1 plus what is the small circle radius? So this is nothing but beta. If it is alpha comma beta means x coordinate is alpha, y coordinate is beta, so that your y coordinate is nothing but your radius. So I will write it as a modulus of b. Why? Because I don't know the sign of the beta. That may be positive, may be negative. Now, Squaring on both sides you do, squaring on both sides. So if you squaring on both sides, you do what you know, this is alpha square, this is beta square minus 2 beta plus 1. That is 1 plus beta square plus 2 beta. Understand? So here what will be cancelled? Beta square cancel, 1 square will cancel. Alpha square is equal to 4 beta. Alpha square is equal to 4 beta. So this is our locus is nothing but x square is equal to, alpha means x, beta means y, x square is equal to 4y. So what is the locus of the center of the small circle is nothing but x square is equal to 4. So here onwards you remember that it is always a parabola, x square is equal to 4a. So here what is a? A is nothing but the distance between the focus and the vertex. Okay na? Right. So from this, after getting this x square is equal to 4y, now he is asked to find out the area enclosed by this locus and y is equal to 4. Okay. So let us see that. We got the locus as this. So this is x square is equal to 4y curve and it is y is equal to 4 line. Y is equal to 4, that is a line. Now he is asked to find out the area enclosed by the locus, that means that curve and this one. Okay now? Right, very easy one. So this is a lower bound and it is upper bound. So what will be this point? So y coordinate is 4, 4 4s are 16, x square is equal to 16, x is equal to root 16 plus or minus 4. So this is 4 and it is minus 4 comma 4. So x is equal to minus 4 and it is x is equal to 4. Yes, you can find out the area as area is equal to integral minus 4 to 4. So what is the upper line and the lower line you can find out. Okay now. But the thing is here, so here up, this is the curve we have to find out between the radius and the upper line and the lower curve you can find out. With respect to y axis you can find out. But the very without using integration anything, I will tell one formula. So that is area is given by, this is equal to 2 by 3 times area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. 2 by 3 times area of the rectangle. Very easy formula. So this is equal to 2 by 3 times, what is the area of this rectangle? Area of the rectangle. So the length is equal to n, breadth is equal to 4. Length is equal to 8. This length is 4, this length is 4. Total length is equal to 8. Breadth is equal to 4. So this is equal to 8. 8s are 64 by 3 square units is your answer. So you can do using integration also you can do. Otherwise, always remember, if there is a parabola and it is a horizontal line, the area of this shaded region is always 2/3 of the area of the rectangle. 2/3 of the area of the rectangle. Okay. So very nice result. Always remember this result. So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to the next problem. The next problem is, here one equation is given. The equation is this. That is x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a biquadratic equation. It has 4 roots. They are alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, we don't know the nature of those roots, whether they are real roots or imaginary roots, how many real, how many imaginary, we don't know. But the thing is, if you observe, where you will see this expansion, x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So what is the expansion of x power 5 minus 1? This is nothing but x minus 1 into x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay now. So here you will observe the expansion. So that means whenever you got, so immediately you have to remember that this is the one of the factors of the expansion of x power 5 minus 1. Okay now, right. Now if you observe, this is nothing but, that means x power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, x power 5 is equal to 1, x is equal to fifth root of unity. Your x is nothing but fifth root of unity. Out of that, x is equal to 1 is a real root. X is equal to 1 is a real root, and their alpha, beta, gamma, delta are not real roots. Not real roots. So, one real root, remaining 4 are, they are not real roots, they are the imaginary roots. Understand? That is the first thing what you have to remember is alpha, beta, gamma, delta are not real roots. So, x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 is a real number, real roots. That is the first thing what you have to observe is alpha, beta, gamma, delta are they are not real roots. Okay, na? That is the first thing what you have to observe. The next thing is, when they are not real roots, so here already we know that in the cubed roots of unity, nth roots of unity, we know that. So here x to the power of 5, so this is equal to alpha to the power of 5, and now alpha substitute here, alpha is already, it is a root of this, no, alpha to the power of 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, beta to the power of 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, that means beta to the power of 5 is equal to 0, alpha to the power of 5, beta to the power of 5, gamma to the power of 5, delta to the power of 5 value is equal to how much? 1. Already alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of this equation. Substitute here alpha to the power of 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, even though they are imaginary roots. So, when alpha to the power of 5, beta to the power of 5, gamma to the power, delta to the power of 5 means what is equal to alpha to the power of 2021? Alpha to the power of 2021 means alpha to the power of 2020 into alpha. Right. This can be written as alpha to the power of 5 whole to the power of 404 into alpha. 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 into alpha. Okay. So, this value already we know 1. So, this is equal to alpha. So, on the whole, alpha to the power of 2021 value is equal to how much? Alpha. Similarly, beta value is, beta for 2021 value is beta, gamma for 2021 value is gamma, delta power 2021 value is gamma. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Nothing but sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is equal to how much? Minus b by a. That is a minus 1 by 1. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma delta value is equal to how much? Minus 1. So, what this value is also how much? Minus 1 is the right answer. Okay, na? So, I hope that. So, the very easy answer. The first thing what you have to remember is whenever x power 4, x cube, x square, x plus 1 is given, they are nothing but the cube fifth roots of unity, and they are not real roots. They are not real roots. So, alpha to the power of 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha power 5, beta power 5, gamma power 5, delta to the power of 5 is equal to 1. Okay, na? So, similarly, alpha to the power of 2021 value is nothing but alpha. So, this is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, nothing but sum of the zeros. Okay, na? So, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. Some more problems in tomorrow's class, I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.